Here's how to find forgotten username in Twitter or X. So if you can't remember your X or Twitter username, I'll show you a few different ways to find it. The first method is to select Forgot Username from the top right corner. Here, you can sign in using your Google account, Apple account, phone number, or email address. Let's say you want to sign in using your email address. After entering your email address, X will ask you to enter your password. Go ahead and enter your password. If you don't remember your password, simply click on the Forgot Password option at the top right. X will then provide you with a verification method that you can use to verify your identity and sign back into your account. If you're still unable to find your username, there's another method you can try. Open the search feature on your iPhone and type passwords. Then, open the Passwords app from the results. Use the search field at the bottom of the screen and search for Twitter. Select the X account from the results. At the top of the account details, you should see the username associated with your account. This is another simple way to recover a username you've forgotten. There's also one more option you can try. Open the email account that's connected to your X or Twitter account. Once you've opened your inbox, use the search bar and search for Twitter or X. Look through any messages you've received from the platform. Open one of these emails, and you may be able to find your username included in the account information. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.